Hi, and thanks for taking interest in our intelligent oven cabinet. Let's begin by demonstrating the size lists. I'm going to select the object, and then you will see that there are several attributes that were added for this object, and they are controlling depth, height, and width, and these override your standard width, height, and depth. So let's exercise the height control. I'm going to come down here to the height attribute and select it, and it has a size list, and you can toggle through each of these heights, and the object will dynamically resize. There are two widths available for this object, so I can go from 27 to 30 inch. Notice all the while that the naming convention is changing. Let me change the cabinet height to 90 inches, the cabinet width to 30 inches, and the cabinet depth I will take off the standard 24 and set it to 26. Now I'd like to demonstrate modifying the oven openings. We're going to start with the top opening, and I'm going to set that to 20 inches. You'll see the object rebuild itself. Notice that the fillers are growing and shrinking to accommodate that size and to lock this top door height into a 3-inch increment. So these are flexible in sizing. These have threshold values that they cannot exceed, and if they do, they will resize and give their space to the upper section. And then let's set the bottom section to a different size. And so that you can see that this object dynamically rebuilds itself based on the values that you've entered into the sidebar. Notice that the sizes that are captured for the oven opening in the name are also dynamic. Let me set this object to its tallest height, and then let me change the render mode to wire mode so that you can see the number of shelves that are currently available. Now let's modify this object, and let's imagine that we put a warming drawer in the lower section. So I'm going to change the height to 18, watch the object rebuild, and then notice that the number of adjustable shelves has now changed to 2. This demonstrates our intelligent oven object that is fully parametric. The oven opening sizes are controlled by sidebar options. The cabinet's overall height, width, and depth is controlled by sidebar lists. The object's name is inheriting all of these changes, and the number of adjustable shelves is controlled automatically. So if you have an interest in any of these features for objects that you have in mind, please give us a call, and thank you.